to manually override the pricing before submission and after the lengthening and shortening of the reservation. So in order to do this, we want to go to a reservation that is already set. Now our balance is 625 and we're going to change the date by shortening it here. Now when we make this change, we'll see here the edit charge table and the label for campsites, 4 days at $100. This was the set charge for this reservation. So now we're going to change this. Say if we wanted to state 4 days at $85. We'll have to make the calculations for that manually. The price of which should be $340. If you want to add VAT, we can leave the VAT icon checked, or we can uncheck it. Once we decide that we want to have VAT, the system is going to calculate it here. Change rates and submit. Close. And our rates here will reflect what we just entered here on the edit charge. And that is how you change your reservation and then manually change the charge. Now you can also do this before you submit a reservation. First you would click on the grid, click on Res Quote, we go into the new booking. But before we click submit, we must enter our person's occupancy requirement. Before we submit the reservation, we go to charges and payments, click on change, and we'll see the same edit charge dialog box, which would enable us to edit the charges to what we want it to be. In this case, we want this to be 75. Change the amount, enter a comment, and submit. This would apply. We'll see it on the balance and the grand total, and we submit once we're ready.